Acharya World-Class Education.
Happy greetings to all. I am Nani Bhavani from grade 8 from Acharya Sri Sambhana Vidyalaya. Acharya World-Class Education prepared to achieve. Now I am going to do math lab activity fraction scale. 0, 0, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 1. Now mix the fraction method. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 by 5. Thank you. Love you all.